Morning, grade 6, how is going? I hope all of you are doing well. And today, from our lovely school, Al Hussein International School, we'll take a new session. It will be revision on the last lesson. And this week, inshallah, we'll make revision for the previous lesson. So be ready. Okay, and let's start now. Yes. So, okay. So we'll start chapter 2, matter structure and properties. Lesson 2, properties of substance. You can use your student book. We'll start from page 131, practice book, page 15 and 16. So we'll use student book and practice book. And at the end of this session, you will be able to revise all the lesson 3, and answer the questions of student book and practice book. Okay? So, let's start. Okay. Okay, let's start with student book, page 131, lesson 2 review. And let's start. Number 1, circle any drawing that shows a compound. Circle any. Yes. Okay, guys, you can take your time. Okay, who knows the answer? Raise your hand. Jana Gaber. Yes, Jana? Yes. Which one are compound?
Methane
Methane?
and ethane.
Methane?
Yes.
Yes.
And
Only? What about carbon dioxide?
yes, it will be circle.
It will be compound or not?
Compound.
Compound too, so we have 3 here. Thank you, Jana. So guys, we have 3 compounds you can circle. Carbon dioxide, ethane, and the last one. So wake up, guys. So, next. Number 2, identify. The drawing showed how 3 types of atoms are arranged to make a molecule of table sugar. Use it to complete the table. So, we have carbon, which is black, white hydrogen, red oxygen. So, write here, the question is write the number of atoms for carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. You can count here each color alone and write the number in this table. Who knows the answer? Yes? Jana? Yes, Jana?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Do you know the
Yes.
answer?
Answer to what, Miss?
For this page? Page 31 in your student book. So again,
Yes.
you can open this page and be with me and focus, please. So, Jana Muhammad?
Carbon,
Jana, yes.
12.
Carbon, how many?
12.
How many carbon atoms?
12.
12. Okay.
Yes.
Hydrogen? Yes, Jana. How many hydrogen?
22.
22. Oxygen? How many oxygen atoms? Yes,
11.
11. Let's check. So we have here, okay, 12 carbon atoms, 22 hydrogen atoms, 11 oxygen atoms, as you said. Thank you so much, Jana. Correct answer. Okay. And now number 3, compare how is a water molecule the same as an oxygen molecule and how is it different, which is contrast and compare. How they are similar and how they are different. So we have here water molecule and oxygen molecule. So know the answer. Nariman. Hi Nariman. Nariman. It's not good. I can hear you clearly. Omar. Okay, Omar. Yes,
Miss, how is it similar? Similar because both of them have oxygen atoms.
yes.
Both of them are compound and molecule.
No way.
Both of them are
How
molecule. Both of
how
them are
oxygen molecule is a compound
molecule. Both of them are molecule.
Yes. Hmm. So they
And how is it different? Because the water have hydrogen atoms.
So it's compounds, while oxygen molecule contains just 2 oxygen atoms, so they are a cold molecule. Yes, thank you, Omar, so much. And let's see the answer. So the answer is both molecules contain oxygen atoms. Oxygen molecules are made from 2 oxygen atoms, so they have bonds between only one type of atom. While a water molecule has 3 total and 2 different types of atoms. So you can see here, water molecule consists of 3 atoms, but just 2 different types. An oxygen molecule contains 2 similar atoms, so one type of atom. You can write the answer again. Yes. Okay, let's continue. Number 4, summarize. How are the properties of a diamond and graphite influenced by differences in the arrangement of their atoms? How the properties of diamond and graphite different while they all contain the same atom. Graphite from carbon, diamond from carbon, but why they are different? Okay, concerning the arrangement of their atoms. Yes? Who knows? Okay, Jana Geber?
Yes.
Yes, Jana.
Okay. So
Yes.
the carbon and the diamond
Yes.
are held in a place that makes the diamond hard.
So, yes, arranged near to each other, so it's hard. While graphite, the carbon atoms arranged in layers, so it's easily to broken. Yes, Jana, thank you so much. And please write the answer again with me. All of you guys write the answer, the correct answer. Okay, so the carbon atoms in diamond are held in place rigidly by their bonds. This makes diamonds very hard because they are arranged near to each other in a rigid form. And the carbon atoms in graphite are only bound tightly in layers. So we can see the layers of carbon atoms in graphite, so it's easily to broken. So can be broken into pieces much more easily. Take your time and write the answer. Remember that these two pictures, this one for diamond lattice, diamonds, okay, and this shape for graphite layers. This layer, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you will open this page, it's right in front of you. I can't see it clearly. So, vocabulary, complete each sentences by writing a term from the word bank. So we can use these words to fill the sentences. Okay, let's take number 1. Water is space molecule because it has positive and negative sides. Water is molecule because it has positive and negative sides. Yes. Raise your hand. Marwan. Welcome back,
Water,
Marwan.
water is a
Yes?
polar molecule.
Okay, yes, polar, because it contains positive and negative sides. Well done. So, yes, the answer is polar. Let's take number 2. An insect can walk on a pond because of the of water. Again, an insect can walk on a pond because of the of water. Yes, you can choose one from here. You can re-choose anywhere again, more than one time. Yes, Yunus. Yusuf. Hi, Yusuf. Hi. Yes, do you know the answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, which one?
Tension?
Raise your voice.
I can't hear you, Miss.
Which one, sorry?
I say surface tension.
Surface tension, yes. Okay, thank you so much. So, Yusuf, as Yusuf said, it's surface tension, which is layer can keep anything on the water surface. Surface tension. Okay, number 3. A diamond is made of carbon atoms. Which one is suitable word? Yes. Who's Dudu? Who's Dudu? Who's
Me.
Dudu?
Me, Miss. Me, Muhammad.
Yes, Muhammad. We said write your name, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Muhammad. Which one?
Number 3.
Yes,
Diamond is a crystal.
crystal, yes. Well done. So, diamond is a crystal made of carbon atoms. Okay, so please stop, guys. Stop talking. Stop talking. Okay, so number 4, who knows the answer? Smile.
Same the elements.
Elements?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Yes, elements. So the atoms in diamond and graphite are from the same element, which is carbon. Thank you, Ismail. Okay, H2O is the for water. H2O is the for water. So, the correct answer. Who's Juju?
I miss.
جنى؟
ماشي.
جنى محمود. Yes, جنى.
اللي هو المس
In English.
she
H2O is
For-
called chemical
chemical form.
formula. Great job. So it's called chemical formula. Again. Okay, chemical formula. Number 6. Oxygen is found in the insulin. So we have two spaces here. Oxygen is, which is found in the insulin. Okay. Any new ones? Omar. Yes, Omar.
Yes, oxygen is an element found in the compound insulin.
Okay, well done. Thank you. So, because oxygen is element found in compound, which is insulin, because insulin is a compound formed from different elements. One of these elements is oxygen. Okay, and let's take another one. Number 7, does the picture show a molecule, compound, or both? And explain. Picture show molecule, compound, or both? And explain your answer. Yes? Marwan? Yes, Marwan?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, picture molecule, compound, or both?
Both.
Both. Why? Explain.
Because water
Yes.
made of hydrogen and oxygen,
Yes.
and 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, chemical formula H2O.
So compound because it's formed from different atoms. The meaning of compound again, for each of you, all of you. Compound means this molecule consists of different atoms. And also it's molecule because it consists of more than one atom, okay? Let's see, and write the answer, please. Both because it's a molecule, because it's the smallest unit of the substance that has the properties of that substance. Because if we talk drop, just one drop from the water, it will be the same properties for the whole water, okay? And it's compound because it's made of 2 different kinds of atoms, which are hydrogen and oxygen. Write the answer. Revise the whole lesson 3. And please, you can back again to the videos in our channel and revise them again, okay? To be aware for everything we talk. Number 8, again, does the picture show a molecule, compound, or both? And explain. This picture, oxygen, molecule, compound, or both? And explain your answer. Okay, let's see. Dudu? Yes, Muhammad.
Miss didn't raise my hand. I was Miss لسه بفكر يعني.
Okay, okay. So here, stop annotating because it will show us now who did that. Okay? So, guys, who know the answer? Remain?
Yes.
Yes. It's molecule, compound.
It's a molecule.
Molecule. Why?
Because there is no other atom than oxygen.
Yes, no different atom in this molecule.
Yes.
Yes, thank you so much. So we can see here that oxygen is, of course, molecule. It's a molecule because it's the smallest unit of the substance. So here in the answer, you have to write the meaning of molecule. Why it's molecule? Because the meaning of molecule, it is the smallest unit of the substance. Smallest unit that has the same properties of the substance. However, it has only one kind of atom, so it's not a compound. So oxygen molecule, not a compound because it consists of just oxygen atoms. Okay. Let's continue. Nine. The pictures show an element, crystal, or both. Elements, crystal, or both, and explain. We have to know the difference between element and crystal. What's the difference between them? Okay, what was the answer? Omar? Yes, Omar.
It's both, miss.
Both, why?
Because gold is a type of crystal and it has only one element.
Because
If it
it's
breaks
solid?
down to
Yeah, because it's solid, so it's crystal. And because it consists of just gold elements, so it's elements. Yes, thank you, Omar.
Miss,
Yep.
I colored the screen a minute ago because the picture zoomed and I didn't mean to color.
Okay,
I
so
was trying to get it back.
okay, don't do it again. Thank you. Thank you for your honesty. Okay. So let's complete. So it will be both. It's an element because it cannot be broken down into any other substance. So here you should write the meaning of element. Element means it cannot be broken down into any other substance. And it's crystal because its atoms bond together, giving it a regular shape, regular pattern, regular shape. So you can write it in your book. Okay. Yusuf. Yusuf minus 10 is a station because of annotation. Thank you. Yes. So let's continue. Okay, number 10. What happens to water bonds in each situation? What will happen for the water bond, the chemical bonds between oxygen and hydrogen? Okay, and between the one molecule of water and the other molecule of water. So what will happen for the two chemical bonds between water molecules? Okay, when water in kettle heating on stove. When you put water in kettle, okay, what will happen for, you can see this picture, it's not found in your book. It will help you. So who knows the answer? Jana? Yes.
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 The atoms will separate
Which atoms?
that are in the water.
Between a water molecule only, H2O, or between the all molecules of water?
between all of the molecules?
So let's see the correct answer. Let's see. So guys, when we boil water or heat water, what will happen? As water heats, the bonds among molecules, here molecules, okay, become less stable. Then the water boils, the molecules do not have bonds between one another. So the bonds between one water molecule and the other water molecule, these bonds will be not found, it will be broken. It will be broken down, okay? But what will happen for the one molecule of water? The strong bonds between hydrogen and oxygen do not change. So we have H2O, let's draw it together. I'll draw it now to be more clear. Okay, so we have H, okay, and another H hydrogen atom, okay, and we have one oxygen atom between both of them, okay? So the bond between hydrogen and oxygen not affected because this type of chemical bond is very strong. So it's not affected by heating or freezing. Why? The bonds, which means the polar bonds, the polar bond which formed between the hydrogen, okay, negative hydrogen of one molecule and the positive hydrogen, okay, the positive hydrogen here of another molecule, okay. This bond, because it's weak bond, we draw it as dots, okay, not straight line like this. So by boiling, this bond is broken down. So this arrow means broken down, okay, while the molecule, the one molecule of water, not affected the bond between hydrogen and oxygen. So just one bond, the bonds between the all molecules will be broken down because it's weak bond, while the bond in just one water molecule, which is between hydrogen and oxygen in one molecule, not affected because it's strong bonds. Okay, so you can write your answer. Okay, let's erase. So next, 11. Water in ice cube tray placed in freezer. So what will happen for water when it turns from water to solid state ice cubes? Who knows the answer? It's similar. Who knows? Raise your hand. So Omar?
Yes, it will be a crystal, like a crystal.
So it will be like a crystal, okay. So what happened for water molecules? The chemical bonds between water molecules, what happened to it to make crystal, to make ice cubes?
It will, the chemical bonds will be more stronger and heavier.
So let's see the answer. Thank you, Omar. So, as water cools, the bonds among molecules become more stable. As you said, Omar, the bonds among molecules become more stable. The water molecules form ice crystals. The strong bonds between hydrogen and oxygen do not change. So again, if we draw the H2O again, the bond between water molecules will be more stable and tightly to each other, more tight. And then, so it forms the crystal, the solid shape for water, and also the bond between the hydrogen and the oxygen not affected, do not change, because it's strong bond. So from this, we can conclude that we have two types of bonds in water molecule, okay? which is the first one between hydrogen and oxygen in one molecule, and this bond is very strong. You can write this structure with me now. So this bond is very strong. So here we can write that very strong bond, not affected even by cooling or by heating. Okay? So this bond between hydrogen and oxygen in one molecule, very strong bond, not affected by heating or cooling. Okay? While the other bonds, which is between, I want to use, so it stopped. Okay. So it's back again. So the other side, which is between hydrogen bond, between hydrogen and the other oxygen in the other molecule, is weak, so it's affected by heating. It will be broken down by heating. It will be more stable in cooling. So it will form ice cube or ice crystal during cooling. Now, let's take the last question, number 12. Proved an example of surface tension. So surface tension, like this picture, like insects, can live on water because of surface tension, like paper clips, okay? So, finally, we revised the lesson, the whole lesson, and please, you can go and revise these lessons again, okay? On our channel, HRS, YouTube, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. Okay, and finally, thanks for watching, and please don't go before watching this video.